Okay, so in this one, you're going to have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. An example might be 2a minus 2, 2a minus 2. Okay. This would, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write x so it's less confusing. I'm going to write x so it's less confusing. So this is going to be 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. So what's happening here is that I'm going to replace the a squared with 2x squared minus 2 times 2x. And I'm going to replace the b with the negative 2, or sorry, with positive 2 plus 2 squared. So again, what I'm doing is I'm replacing the, oh, I should use a different number, the a's with the 2x and replacing the b's with 2. I'm replacing the a's with 2x, and I'm replacing the b's with 2. What I would get is 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. And so the reason I'm introducing this rule is that you will be given an equation that looks like this. 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. And they'll ask you to factor it, right? They'll ask you to factor it. And you could use this rule to go backwards. So you're going to use the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And so you look at this, you know that this is a squared. So you want to take the square root of that and then go backwards. This one, you know it's a product of a times b times 2. And so you would fill this in after you find the a squared and the b squared. Okay. And again, if you're confused about this one's probably the most difficult one. We'll talk about this more tomorrow. We're just introducing this idea today. So again, what we're doing is we're just showing you that if we were to go backwards, you can go from here to here. And the reason why we can is because of the pattern here. Okay, our third example, or does anyone need more time on the second one? Okay. And again, we'll see more of this over the coming days. So if you're having trouble with it, it's totally fine. So our third example is a plus b times a plus b, and that equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And again, this is very similar to the second one, except this time all the signs are positive. So you might have something like 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. So again, what you know is you're going to replace all the a's with 3x. And you're going to replace all the b's with the 1. Okay. So again, I replaced all the a's with the 3x, because that's the a's. And I replaced all the b's with 1. Okay. So I'm just looking at this, and I'm replacing what I see. Okay. This equals 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. So again, when you're factoring this, you can go from 9x squared plus 6x plus 1, and then go backwards to go to your factors. You can go backwards to your factors. Does anyone have any questions about this? And again, this will be the hardest thing that you guys will do, probably. This will probably be one of the harder things to do here. So again, if you're uncomfortable with this concept, we'll talk about this more tomorrow. So, yeah.